Hi guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Trading Twilight and I'm Ankita Agnihotri. As you can see, Nifty and Big Nifty has given a beautiful breakout in the morning, and now it is consolidated at the particular support and resistance. And now Bank Nifty looking good for the list buy scalping, and it will be good enough, like it will be going for 51 400 or 350 will be your target, 360. So this is a particular market where market has consolidated so much, so it is giving a breakout. So I just making this video for particularly Bank Nifty. Having a particular risk to reward is very good, and you will be like below like 51. I have taken a call in this 51 150 at this support, and like I will be going to trail because I have a squared of 50% at this 51 280. Right now my target is like it will be going to resist 51 350 or somewhere, so I will be going to book in my like second target. So I'm not looking for buy in Nifty because Nifty have like very much, the resistance is very near and risk to reward is not matched. So in the like meanwhile I will be getting any sort of dip below this 960 or somewhere where everyone is going to be bearish, then I will be looking for buy on dip in Nifty. You can do a buy scalping, but the risk to reward like day high is the resistance, so what you will be getting in like 25 point range. So I am not particularly buy on dip in Nifty. I will be looking for, if Nifty is going to make sustenance at this 25,000, then Bank Nifty is since morning it is not able to give a breakout of this particular 300. So maybe it is possible it will be going to reach 51 400 in this second go, maybe 2 o'clock or somewhere. So I am just watching this, like if it is going to sustain at this 51 260, then more upside will be possible. So just mark on the for the upside, like 51 260 is for upside rally, is a markable label for more upside, and for the downside you can look for only 51 120 127 is the label. So if it is going to sustain below this 51, this is a 51, sorry, 127, not 51 60, this is the label. If it is not able to sustain at 51 100, then only the downside will be possible. So I am looking for risk to reward is very matched. So if you really want to go for a selling side in the second half, so you can switch to Nifty, which is more like in the resistance zone, where resistance is very much high. So where it's going to take a rejection in this second half, I will be looking for selling opportunity in Nifty especially, and like it will be like going to make an again a all-time high again in the coming days. But right now in intraday maybe it will be going to day high again, and then if it is going not able to sustain at the day high, then I will be looking for the short opportunity in, especially in Nifty. This is my morning trade which is already done, and I will be looking in the short side especially in Nifty in the second half. And Bank Nifty, my long rate trade is going on, so I will be looking for this day high and above somewhere. You will be getting, take a buffer, like all-time high is your SL, and you can play this Bank Nifty particularly for the like downside. So maybe 20 moving average and this below 20 moving average 900 will be your target. Not like every